Hello, I'm Mike Norlander. I'm working for Muller Martini Bad Mergentheim in Germany. We are here producing all hardcover machines which are necessary for a hardcover production. In this area, you see the inline solution of Muller Martini. It is the Ventura Connect system. This Ventura Connect system is inline producing, carrying, buffering and transporting and sewing on the sewer. We are here at the front of the Ventura MC. At the other side, the Ventura is loaded automatically or by hand. Then signatures are picked up one by one and transported by the belts. We come here in the opening system. In the opening system, we can open the signatures by suckers up to 4 times or by sword when we have a lap. After the opening system, we have behind this blade a camera. This camera is at the inside, and because it is at the inside, we can check the signatures on sequence, so if the right signature is on the right place in the book, and the opening. If the opening or the sequence is not okay, the machine will stop and we will be able to put on a signature on the saddle. The camera can run in 2 modes. One mode is picture mode, and then it is comparing pictures with a reference. In the other mode, the barcode mode, we have a barcode which is printed on the paper and will be cut later off in the 3-knife trimmer. We make a picture of the barcode will be compiled in a numeric code of 0s and 1s combinations, and this will be checked with reference. What we see here, both saddles are going in at the same time. Pre-saddle is coming back to pick up the next signature. Then they go in both at the same time. During the sewing saddle is doing the sewing process, and pre-saddle is picking up the next one. Because of the servo technology, we are able to run at the right side of the saddle. Because we are running at the right side, the blades are even shorter and the movement is even nicer. The belt makes it possible to run dedicated products at high speed. Let's have a look at production speed. Now we're running about 60 cycles, 100 cycles a minute, 150, and even runs 200 cycles in a minute. Well, this model is showing us how the thread is transported from the sewing needle to the hook needle. It's done by an air blast. Yeah? And what we see is that the needle is entering the saddle, it's blowing the loop, and it is picked up by the hook needle. This way of transporting the thread gives us the possibility to eliminate all the mechanical movements in the saddle. Because of this, it is very easy to change over the stitch from normal stitch to combined stack and stitch. We are not now at the command of the Ventura MC. When we go to the process, we can easily change the type of stitch by pushing the button. Normal stitch, combined stackage stitch. Even we can run without blind stitch. That's possible because we have thread welding at the end of the book block. And with the thread welding and the way we separate the books, we combine the blind stitch in the last signature. That's why we can run without the blind stitch, which is more effective because we are not stitching in air. And we have the possibility to run with short thread ends, which makes life after the sewing process at the binder much easier. Here we see the product we are producing with the Ventura MC. And what we see is a very nice and tight book block. At the end, we have the loops which have thread welding on, and that's why the knot is fixed forever. Because of running without a blind stitch, we have very short thread ends. And that's important because we have not the thread coming out of the side gluing on the perfect binder. The Ventura MC can be loaded automatically or by hand. We are now at the inline solution of Muller Martini. We see here a gathering machine with the hand station, and here we have the pockets which have all the different signatures. Every pocket is making a signature, put it in a channel, the chain is transported further. On this way, the book block is growing and growing, and here we have a channel that's coming up in the stacker ring, compiling the stack together, and we eject it out with the capsizer and put it on the loading arm. The loading arm is put it on the trolley, and we have got a buffer sewn here. Every Ventura MC has its own loading arm, and the loading arm is controlled by a yellow sensor for safety reasons. So we have here a safety area, and when I step out of this safety area, we will see the loading arm will start loading. It picks up signatures from the trolleys, loaded automatically,